Congratulations, we now have an approved permit and all other approvals we need are in place, so a member of our team will be reaching out to you shortly to schedule your installation. Here are a few things to keep in mind during the install.
Our crews arrive anywhere between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. to start the installation. These times can vary depending on traffic and any unforeseen delays at the supply house. A typical installation can be anywhere from 2 to 7 days, depending on the size of the project and any complications that may arise. Occasionally, we will need to make changes to the equipment placement on site due to any unexpected complications and city requirements.
Now, we will need to access more than just the roof when we are installing your equipment. This would include the garage, your attic, your internet router, and any electric panels that are inside your home. We may also need to turn off the power to a part or all of your home, but only for a short amount of time. After the bulk of the installation is complete, we will return a few times for the inspection, to set up monitoring, and to finish any final touches on your project. A few items are usually left for the day of the inspection so that our technician has something to do while he waits for final approval. And in case the inspector adds any other items that we need to complete.
Please keep in mind that this is a construction project and some unforeseen challenges may arise, but we want you to be sure that we'll keep you informed while we see the project through to the end.